Alright, here it is again, 1 and 4 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and 4 World Trade Center. I'm still on the Manhattan side of the bridge. Yet another beautiful New York City evening. Yet another beautiful New York City sunset. Two times optical zoom. Alright, we still have a lot more ground to cover, so I'm going to keep going. Sorry if it's hard to hear. Alright, I'm on the Brooklyn side. I'm still on the Manhattan Bridge. Here again is 1 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Amazing looking skyscrapers. True marvels. They're beautiful. Alright, let's keep walking. We're going right here to Brooklyn Bridge Park. Well, here we are. Brooklyn Bridge Park. So there's 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Alright, so yep, here we are once again on this nice New York evening. So, again, looking at the construction elevator now being dismantled, my guess is that 1 World Trade Center will do what 4 World Trade Center is doing. Half of the elevator will be dismantled, while the other half remains for the rest of the internal work. Again, now that's just a guess. I still need to be sure. But that's what they've done on Tower 4. Tower 4's elevator has been dismantled, partially dismantled for a while. So I'm guessing that's what they're going to do with Tower 1. We should soon start to see glass be filled in. This is the East River. 1 and 4 World Trade Center and Lower Manhattan. And the Brooklyn Bridge. Downtown Manhattan and the World Trade Center. One World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. The Freedom Tower. Alright everybody, I have walked all the way through Brooklyn Bridge Park, so this is going to be the end of the evening portion of the update. Look right here, the antenna is lit. The antenna spire, it's completely lit. It's hard to see it now, but the antenna spire is now lit. Looks like it's a green light. Alright, so I'm going to stick around until nightfall. Then I'm going to go back over and film a little bit more. I can't film much because my battery is just about drained, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the evening portion of the update before I head back over. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask me, be sure to ask them. I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching.